Hey guys, today we continue the lesson 3. So before that, I still will teaching and sharing about the interface and some basic tools, because for the last lesson 1 and lesson 2 I haven't finished the basic tools. Okay, so now I will teach you about the auto backup, and then another one is called viewport layout. What means viewport layout? Okay, for the lesson 1 I already teach. Actually this one is called viewport. Okay, now the default layout is this one, is 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Top, front, left and property. But some people they don't like show the 4 view in the same time. Maybe some people they want to change the layout or other. So how? Okay, if you want to change the viewport layout, okay, you just go to select this one, views. Okay, views open, and then find out this one, viewport background, and then configure viewport background, and then the shortcut is Ctrl B. So you just open, and then when you open, you see this one, viewport configuration. Okay, so now you select layout, then you can see for now this one is a default layout. You can see this one is top, front, left and purple stick. Okay, so other you can choose, like maybe you just want to show one view only, just top, or maybe you want to show 2 view only, top and front. And one more, okay, if you want to change, like this one is top, front, but I don't want top view for this part, so you can click, just left click, use your button, mouse button, left click, and then it will show you another one, another few wording. Let's say this one is purple stick view, and then another one is orthographic, but this one I think you can skip lah. Okay, and then this one is front, back, top, button or what, and then this one also is just click on it. Okay, so this one also you see got view layout. You can choose if you really want to change the layout. Okay, but I still suggest you can using this one. I recommend you use this one for top, like this, top, front, left hand, purple stick view, because easy to edit and see the view, see the 3D object in future. Okay, so just no need to apply, because it's still the same one. You just click OK. Okay, so now this one done already. So how about the auto backup? Okay, auto backup actually is very important for us, especially when you want to during you do the 3D modeling, you want to make some 3D material in 3D Max. But sometimes if you bad lucky on that day, your original file suddenly like corrupt, missing, or other problem, you cannot open the original file. So that's all? You need to continue start from 0 or what? So that's why 3D Max have auto backup. So where and then how to find out, and then how to setting. Okay, so first I need to let you know the setting first. Okay, you can see this one, customize. You just open, and then go to the last one, reverse, open. Okay, so now before that I teach you how to setting the auto backup before. Okay, so you can see here generate, but this one I also need to explain with you all. Okay, this one is a sync undo. That means it's undo. Sometimes because if we do the do our job, the 3D drawing or other 3D modeling or what, okay, we need to undo. Sometimes we need to undo and then continue again or what. Undo is a Ctrl-Z shortcut, and then you see undo level is 20. That means default setting is 20. That means you only can undo 20 times. Okay, but this one you can change the number, but for 3D Max maximum is 500. So you just put 500. That means after if you click OK, you can 500 times. So more easy for us to edit YouTube using the 3D Max. This one done already. So now we keep continue again, auto backup. So where is the auto backup? You can see the second one here, files, you just open. Okay, then you go to find out auto backup, and then normally it's enabled, they already open. So you can see number of auto backup files is 3, totally have 3 files. And then backup intervals minute is a 5 minutes. That means each 5 minutes, they will automatically back up your original file. Okay, but how to back up? Okay, remember this one is very important. This one we don't need to change, just put 3 and then each 5 minutes, I think should be okay. So just click OK. Okay, another one. Okay, remember, every time you open your 3D Max, you do your job, you do the modeling every time. Okay, so you need to make one action. Okay, that means what action is Control X. You need to remember every time you open your 3D Max, you need to click Control X. This one is the next stage, because if you not click Control S, that means 3D Max will not be automatic help you to save your original file in auto backup file inside. Okay, another one. So how to find out the auto backup file? Where is the location? Okay, so the location. Okay, you need to go open document. Okay, go to find out. Okay, this one, and then go to click this PC. This one you can see. Okay, documents, 3D Max, and then see auto back. Just open. Then you see auto back out 101, 02, and 03. So you can find the letters 1. Okay, you can check, double check the tab. Okay, modifiers. Okay, so go to find out if your original file really cannot open, corrupted or what. Okay, then you can go to find out this one, this PC document, 3D Max and AutoBack. Then you copy which one is the letters 1, and then copy and then cover your original file. That's all. Okay, another one. Okay, today we will teach you another new tools, basic tools. This one is called spline object. Spline object actually, for me, I call this one is 2D object, because this one not like the lesson 1 and lesson 2 I teach you how to create 3D object, because 3D object is called geometry object. This one is geometry. It's called standard primitive and extended primitive. These two actually all is a 3D object. So where is the spline object? Spline object this one. This one is called shape. Okay, you can open. Okay, actually it's 2D. That means not the 3D one. Okay, you can see spline, and then you can see here inside has line, rectangle, circle, ellipse, arcs, donut, star, including text. That means you can put some font inside. You can text some information, and then you can make the text become the 3D font. I will teach you for the next lesson for this one. Okay, so now I will teach you how to create the spline object, and then after that how to modify. Actually, it's the same like lesson 1. I teach you how to create 3D object. Still remember? After create, then you go to modify. Okay, so the spline object also same like 3D object. Okay, you just create rectangle. Okay, let's say this one, rectangle. Then you go to top view, just press and then move, and then lift the button. That's all. And then next, you need to click select and move, because if you want to move the object, you want to select and move the object together. Okay, like this. Okay, another one, you can see the behind the grid. For me, I just hide the grid. G, just click the G. It's easy to see the object. Okay, so select the rectangle again, because now I already have one new rectangle. So now I want go to modify. So just go to select modify. Then you can see this one is the name, and then you can see actually inside have a few setting. For the first menu is called rendering. You can have 3. The first one is called rendering. The second one is the interpolation, and then the last one is parameters. But this time, we just focus parameters. Okay, parameters. You can imagine this one is a shape setting. Okay, so you can see length, width, and corner radius. Now you can see it's mm also, because why already mm? Because last lesson 1 I have teach you how to set up the unit. So for 3D Max, okay, since you already set up the unit, so next time you open 3D Max, actually you don't need to set it again every time. You already fix the setting. mm. Okay, so length, okay, now it's 103.023, so you can put maybe 100 or so, easy. Maybe 70. That's all. It's a sharp for the tops. Okay, so now you see corner radius. This one is a special setting. Only rectangle have the setting like this. Corner radius, that means now it's 0. You cannot see any different, any happen or what. If you put 25, this one is called corner radius. Okay, you can adjust the corner smooth or not. Okay, this one 25 too higher. Maybe just put 10. Then you can see. So now you can go to create again, because I want to create another one like circle. Okay, just open the circle, select the circle, go to top view, just press, then you see circle come out already. Go to modify, then you can see circle only radius. Okay, you can put maybe 25 also, make it smaller. And then, okay, for me actually you can try to create one by one, because different object setting also different, like star. Okay, I put to another star here. You just click, that's all, and then go to select move. Then this one is a star. Then select the star, go to modify. You see, they have a few few setting. Reduce 1, 2, and then how many point? Because now point is 6. You can put maybe 4. If you put 4, it's like that. Okay, and then the fillet radius 1 and 2. You can try one by one. Okay. And then one more question. Okay, because this all is a spline object, they're not a 3D object. When you render, okay, I haven't teaching the rendering. So if the 3D model already complete, or maybe you want to see the effect, okay, you can click this one. This one is the render production. Just click. They will show you the object. But remember, why all is black color? Okay, remember, before you click render production, you need to select which angle, okay, you want to render. Let's say here, perspective view. You see, we have a rectangle, circle, and star. Okay, we have a 3 object inside. So now, just click render. But why still cannot see the object? Remember, because 3D Max is a 3D software, and then this tree, okay, still is a spline object, not the 3D object. Because 3D Max, you cannot see the object. It's a if you want to see the model, the solid object inside, when you render, you need to become 3D object. If just 2D object, you cannot see after render. Remember this one. So for the next classes, I will teach you how to take this one rectangle, circle, and star to become 3D object. Okay, is it this tree? I still cannot see the object. I still cannot see the shape after I using render production. Okay, still can. You just need to go through. Okay, you need to find out this one rendering. Like just now I said, the first topic is rendering. You need to change the setting. Okay, remember, if you really want to see the shape. Okay, so rendering, you can see the first enable in renderers, which is you need to open, and then the last two, the second one, also you also need to open. Enable in viewport, open. Then you can see. Now, okay, I changed the size. Okay, then you can see. You can see the model already. Just follow the line. This one actually is a line shading. Okay, so now you can see, and then here you go down again, you can see the radius. This one is a thickness. Now thickness is 1 mm. If you feel 1 mm not enough, you can put 3 and then enter. Then you can see. Okay, or maybe you don't want to use radius, you want to use rectangular, you just select rectangular. Then you can see, then it's 6 2 mm. Okay, so now because now actually it's become like 3D object already, because I already opened another in renderers and viewport, and I changed the rectangular and then the number, length and width, I put them more higher. Then after, if you click render production, then you can see the object. Okay, so that's mean these two also. I can select the circle, open the rendering, enable in renderers, enable in viewport, then you can see. So now this one is a radius. I just put 5, so easy to see the object, and then this one also click. Okay, you can try one. Now you can see this tree have a solid. So now you just click, then now you can see the object already. Okay, so you need to know how to use the setting. So if you don't want to see the effect, you just off these two. That's all. Okay. Okay, guys, today our video tutorials end here. If you really like our video tutorials, you can click subscribe our channel. Then you can see more coming video and update. Thank you.